Hey guys, what's happened? I had to reset Facebook feed. To reset your Facebook feed, use quick refreshes. So
it's
I'm going
important.
to my reels and then refresh by pulling down. This is for immediate action, or you can actively manage content preferences and settings. So go ahead and hit your profile icon at the bottom right. Hit the settings gear at the top right. Scroll a little bit down to find content preferences, where you can adjust basically who or what kind of content you want to be fed, essentially. You can manage favorites, snooze, unfollow, and clear your search off, right? And and you can also clear your search off in the activity log. So go back to the settings, hit the activity log, scroll a little bit down to find logged information. That includes the videos that you watched and everything, right? So let's see right here, information, no, excuse me, preferences and activities, connected to people, information, no, yeah, your Facebook activity, yes. And then what you're gonna do, you can go ahead to manage reels, right? And next to the video in question, just delete it, right? Move it to trash. Right? Basically, that's it. Yeah. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.